So what can you do with the Neato robot now?
Well, it's I mean, right now the Raspberry Pi is only reading the thumbstick, and then it sends a command called set motor to the
and is that a standard PS3?
Xbox 360
Xbox 3,
controller.
yeah. Okay.
So I bought this one.
What's the protocol? Okay.
Which I mean, it's a standard receiver for 360 controllers for PC, so I can use that one on my PC to run racing games or whatever.
Okay. Cool.
And there is a script for Raspberry Pis and the Linux systems for this, either for plugging this one in or a USB controller directly into it. So I just, before I start my program on the robot, I start that script. So it's this window here. So in here you can see every event from the controller. So if I press the up button, it says that now the up button is pressed, and if I release it, it will say that the up button is released.
Okay. Can it repeat it automatically, or do you have to program that?
Then I have another script. This script here, it sort of scans the output of this program, and keeps all the controls as a struct basically. And then what my program here, this is what I programmed. It just fetches what the current button statuses are, and then calculates what kind of numbers I should send to this one.
Yeah, and you can pulse it if you want it to go.
Yeah, so right now it fetches the button status from this one every 10 times per second, and then sends a UART command to this one every 10 times per second.
And that is Wi-Fi, or how do you connect it?
Yeah, it's the debug port.
Yeah, now it's USB. Okay, but when you control it, can you control that? Is this?
There's no antenna.
Oh, okay. So you have you put the Raspberry Pi in the robot.
So instead of running this one from a cell phone charger, I run it from this one.
Yeah, I understand.
And then, I have everything. I can just put everything in the dustbin.
Yeah, cool. Okay, perfect. And the programs, they are Python programs.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
The thumbstick is a bit crappy. And then right now at the beginning of the script, it also makes a Lidar scan of the whole space and saves it as a CSV file. Okay. But I mean, I could.
And it saves it on the Raspberry Pi.
Yes. Okay. Right now I just did that for Louise, because she wanted what the output of the Lidar scan looks like. Yeah. And then I sent the CSV file to her.
Okay, but she doesn't know what the physics are.
So, I took a photograph of, the whole scene also,
perfect.
And sent it to her.
Okay.
And the sound it's making right now is the Lidar is rotating.
Yeah. And where is it located? Is it under or it's up there?
If you film it with the cell phone,
you can see
you can actually see the laser.
Yeah.
Because it's infrared.
Is it a good Lidar? Oh, it's a cheap one.
Yeah. Well, compared to like military stuff, it's a very. I mean, it's probably the cheapest there is.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's quite accurate. I sent the scan to Luis, and it looks like. It basically looks like this. So the space behind it it's a flat. I could probably show you the.
Is this a top view of the surroundings?
Yeah, this was the environment where I made the scan, and So this is the my entrance door,
Yeah.
and
Okay.
this is the box I put in front of the robot.
Yeah. And how accurate is the measurement in millimeters?
Well, I mean this should be a straight line
Yeah.
because you
Oh,
know
okay.
it was a door here.
Yeah. Okay.
So I mean
Maybe you have some ants that are
Yeah,
eating holes into the door.
I mean if you would make another scan, you could probably do some filtering of the measurements. And
How fast is this scan? Is this like one rotation of the Lidar, or is it several?
I don't know how often you can make a scan.
But it's pretty fast, isn't it? A lot of
It's
times per second.
after it has made. This is basically the output of the scan, and at the end of the this is for a given angle, it gives the distance and what is it? Gives the angle, the distance in millimeters, the intensity of the measurement, and then some error code in hex format.
Does that change depending on the surface? If it's soft or hard?
So for some measurements, you won't get any measurement. I think like for these angles, it was measuring against the microwave oven I have here, and it has like a reflective surface. So if it can't get any good measurements, it won't just output any result. It will say that you can't trust any measurements in this angle.
So you need intensity value.
Yeah, and even though you get
accurate.
A measurement here, you're also given the intensity value. I don't know what I should use that for, but I mean
we can test some different if we stand. We have to detect human. We have to detect the vending machine and the luggage.
I'm gonna cancel this one here.
Okay.